In this video, we're going to learn how to train using offline mode or without data on your tablet or iPhone. This mode was really designed for people who don't have internet or can't get a signal, or people who have the Speed 4 Lifts encoder instead of the Vitruve encoder. If you have internet on your tablet and you have the Vitruve encoder, you should always train using Bluetooth and never using the offline mode or with Wi-Fi, since it's not even close to being the best way. So the first thing we have to do before anything else is open the app and download each athlete's data with which we want to train in offline mode. Since before we train, we have to download all their data off the server so we can use it later. Here, it gives us a brief explanation, and we're going to select the athletes. In this case, these three athletes are the ones we're going to train with in offline mode. We hit continue and we wait for all their data and exercises to download. Okay, once the download is completed, an offline mode notification should appear. We're going to click permit and it will warn us that we're not using online mode. And once we're ready, we will proceed to connect to our encoder via Wi-Fi. And to do that, there is a way of setting the encoder to Wi-Fi mode. We turn the encoder on and we see it says BT223, that means it's connected via Bluetooth, and we push the left button between 5 and 10 seconds until Wi-Fi on appears. And there it is, Wi-Fi on, and now we're using Wi-Fi. Now what we have to do is go to settings on our device and connect to our encoder. We wait for it to appear, and here it is down here. We click on it and enter the password, which is numbers from 1 to 9. And now that we're connected, we go back to the app, and now we can start to train with the three athletes whose data we downloaded, not any other athletes. We click start and we can see we're connected, and we could start doing reps. In this mode, we could do a session, hit finish, we could save the session, etc. Let's save this session, for example, but an important note would be to go back to online mode before we close the app. Now, nothing would happen if we didn't. We shouldn't lose any data, but it's not recommended to wait too long before connecting to online mode, since the data would stay local or on your device, since you wouldn't be connected to the internet and it wouldn't get uploaded to the cloud. We would turn off the encoder once we've finished our training session, and we're going to connect to our router. Now that we've connected, we would click here to go back to online mode. Now we're back to online mode, and all the data should have already synchronized or uploaded to the cloud, and we would then be finished using offline mode.